lovely people, welcome to Pretty Astro Reflection. Today I'm going to discuss about Mercury retrograde. So what happens when the green small planet called Mercury goes retrograde in a year? Normally Mercury goes retrograde for about 25 days, and this phenomena happens 3 times a year, almost 3 times a year. So what happens when Mercury goes retrograde at a time? So Mercury is the karka of communication, siblings, neighbors, a small circle of friends. Mercury is also the karka of communication, of handicrafts, hobbies, your courage, your effort, anything you do with your hands. Mercury is at in modern times. Mercury is the karka almost everything, from business to internet, online businesses, telecommunication, posts, anything. So usually when Mercury goes retrograde, everything related to its karka gets affected. Even travels, small travels are represented by Mercury. So people should be very careful regarding all these karkas whenever Mercury is retrograde. There are certain do's and don'ts to be followed during Mercury retrograde, which I am going to explain in this video. Please listen carefully. This is going to be quite helpful to you during the retrograde season. So what are the do's? What things you should do during Mercury retrograde? You should be very careful about your communication. Whatever you're speaking to somebody, whenever you're replying, whenever you're talking, whenever you're answering, you should be very careful while doing it, because since Mercury is the karka of communication, there are many chances that your communication can go wrong. You can be misunderstood. There can be fights or arguments over your communication. So to get rid of all these petty issues, to avoid all these petty issues, you should doubly check your communication, be it verbal communication or written communication. Even while posting on online media, on Instagram or Facebook, you have to be very careful during this retrograde season, as your communication can be misunderstood, and you in general can have earn a bad reputation because of it. Other than this, you have to be very careful with your travel plans. You have to double check your tickets, your date of commuting, and try and reach the station or the airport an hour earlier so that you don't miss the flight. Your flights can also get cancelled, your trains can get cancelled. So a lot of troubles regarding traveling may take place during retrograde season. So the most you can do is double check your traveling plans and ticket confirmations. Next, you any documents, it is better to avoid signing any new deals or contracts during the retrograde season, because often it's a season of confusion. So any written contract, anything in written is also represented by Mercury. So just to be doubly sure that your contracts and written communication are in perfect order, either you double check the contract, read it thoroughly before signing, or you postpone it, you sign it after the retrograde season is over. In that way you'll save yourself a lot of trouble or misunderstanding if it's pertaining to that document or the contract. Next, what you can do, the best thing about retrograde is getting back to old people. By old I mean to your long lost friends and relatives. This is the best time to reunite with them, with people with whom you have not been in communication with whom you have not kept in touch with. It is the best period to do so, and it's an ideal season. Retrograde season is the ideal time for reunion and get together, because retrograde means it is actually a season of pausing. In our fast life, in our fast paced life, we don't normally pay attention. We don't reflect on the things we are missing or the things which are needed to get completed. We miss on all that because our life is so fast paced. slow to catch up with the pending work and the pending issues, and to complete them, this retrograde season takes place. So all the pending work which are kept in the back burner, which we have not paid attention to till now, retrograde season is the ideal season to complete them, to finish them off. And what are the things we should stay away from during a retrograde season, especially when it's Mercury retrograde? So the things which we should not do during a Mercury retrograde season is, we should not buy new gadgets and new technical items, because they might turn out faulty. Mercury represents technology. So when Mercury is going reverse, or it's actually very close to Earth, and its intensity is felt very largely during this time, it is better to stay away from buying new products, new technical products, new gadgets, because they might turn out faulty. There might be problems in it, technical problems in it. Your money might go waste. Other than this, you should not take impulsive decision. You stay away from fights and arguments, because people are usually very sensitive during retrograde season. We don't think much. Mercury is also the karka of intellect, of thinking, of mind. Not mind exactly, mind's karka is moon, but intellect. So it's very obvious that during Mercury's retrograde season, our intellect goes haywire. Even the most rational people, they might face this problem. And especially those whose Mercury, natal Mercury, or the Mercury in birth chart is not in earth sign but in watery sign, and they are running through Mercury dasha, mahadasha, or antardasha, then definitely they are going to be in some sort of trouble, because at this moment, they are, during this time, they are very sensitive in nature, and they don't think rationally. They are not taking rational decisions. And even if the person in front of them don't mean anything personal, they can take it personally, anything, and they might take impulsive decision, or they might rush into fights and arguments. So please don't take any impulsive decision. Please don't rush into arguments, into heated conversation. Think before saying. Think at least 2 times, 3 times, because it's I know it's very difficult, because it's a trying season, but still it is less costly than losing a relationship, or losing something, job or contract. And there can be misunderstanding, there can be confusion, fights. So please keep your cool during this time, and think rationally. Try to think clearly, even if it is difficult. Avoid the urge to fight, or ask for clarification, because not everything is right or wrong. Sometimes you have to just leave the things as they are. Let time take on uh, the stand. And other than this, don't start any new relationship, don't start anything new during retrograde season, because mostly what I have seen from my experience is, as soon as the retrograde season is over, the new thing which you have started, it doesn't work out. You have to end it. So don't start anything new during retrograde season, because the chances of its lasting is very thin. And maybe a new relationship or a new job. And don't be very careful about your flights. Very careful about your flight schedule and journey schedule. Try and avoid journey. Try and avoid taking flight, because there can be many troubles related to traveling during Mercury retrograde. So these are the do's and don'ts one must follow during Mercury retrograde, for your safety, security, and well-being. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. And hope to see you in my other videos too. Thank you so much. Bye.